Hello, everybody. Good Friday afternoon. Hoping you're having a God bless Friday. It is absolutely beautiful today, 72 degrees in the neighborhood today. I'm here to tell you, compared to yesterday and the day before, it was actually cold down in the 40s and 50s, and today's in the 70s. So here we are back into our good old springtime weather, and I'm enjoying it. It feels wonderful. Now about between 65 and 70 is my kind of weather. Now I can take it a little bit cool for winter weather, so I can put on my heavy stuff. But right here, where just a little thin sweater or a little jacket or something, I love this weather. So hope y'all are having a God bless Friday afternoon. Hope all is well in your life. Hope that you are praying without ceasing, making somebody's day, calling somebody, encouraging somebody, and cooking some good old food. So this afternoon, I'm just cooking up a storm this week, seems like. I am going to cook some ham steaks, some crescent rolls, and some broccoli and corn. So I've already got it started, got it laid out here. I call this my good old hearty, tasty, I got to get these taxes done meal. So I'm kind of getting it rushed up. I'm filing taxes, and I just I always do, wait till the last minute. So here I am, filing my taxes, but I had to stop and pause for the calls and get some food going. So what I'm doing first, of course, I've got my rolls laid out here. I'm just going to go ahead and roll them. Matter of fact, I had started rolling them earlier. Forgot I had to pick Norrick up from school, honey. I had to drop everything and get out here and get that little old baby boy from school. So, got him from school. Got him to his daddy. And I'm back on the stove, y'all. So, I don't know what y'all doing for Friday. But this is something just quick and easy and something tasty. Y'all know me, I do quick foods sometimes. Rick was with me yesterday and he had pizza. And Lord, when I picked him up, this child will eat a whole medium pizza. I mean, now he's one that doesn't eat a lot, but he loves pizza. And when I picked him up out of school, I try to always get him something. If I'm not going to bring him home with me, I'll get him a good little snack on the way. And honey, he wanted pizza, so I had to talk him out of that pizza. Because he actually ate a whole medium pizza yesterday. I figured, honey, you don't need no more pizza today. So we ended up, he wanted, kids love them McDonald's Happy Meal, so I went ahead and got him a little Happy Meal. But not the pizza, He loves cheese. He loves lots of cheese. Kids are something. When I first picked him up, he said to me, he had a little carton of milk in his hand. He said, well, I think I'm going to drink this milk, and I hope it's not nasty. I said, well, no, why would you think it's nasty? He said, well, the cheese was nasty. I said, what cheese? He said, that cheese that somebody gave him. And he said, I think she poured milk on it. I said, no, come on now. So he drank his little carton of milk. It was nice and cool. Babies are so funny. They are so precious. Okay, those rolls are ready to go in the oven. Let's ease on over on this side. Well, my little thing, I don't want to break anything. This is I bought 2 nice ham steaks from Sam's Club. Not Sam's Club, I'm sorry. From Food Lion. These are nice big ones. So what I did is put a little olive oil in the pan. I'm just going to fry them up for 3. I probably will cut a little end off of a piece and eat it, but I ham salty. I tried to rinse some of that salt off, but anyway, it's got ham and corn is good together. So I decided that I got this little double-sided container here. I got some of those baby broccoli in one side and corn on the other side. This is going into the microwave for about 5 minutes, and this is going to just complete this meal here. It's going to be a nice meal for Friday. Because usually I do burgers or tacos or something, but I decided let's do some real food. Because I'm still working on trying to get my freezer cleared out a little bit. So anyway, we're going to let these ham steaks cook for about 5 minutes on each side. Because you know that ham is not cooked it's smoked but not cooked. So I want those edges to go ahead and cook. And of course it'll take those rolls about 12 minutes. So this is another one of those under 30-minute meals, we'll say. Just keep it under, probably under 25 minutes. So we're just gonna let this cook. Hope you all got something good going on the stove. I hope you got something planned for this weekend. This will be a good weekend for an outing. I'm so excited to hear them talk about, how people begin to get those shots. And, excuse me, that pollen is still out there, y'all. I'm excited, though. I still wear my mask, even though I'm fully vaccinated. I still wear my mask because I found out now, I bet you a lot of people will continue wearing their mask, not necessarily about COVID, but because it helps me with the pollen when I'm outside. I noticed when I was out walking this morning, it was real, real cool, and it kept a lot of that cool air from blowing directly into my face. So I think those masks are going to serve a pretty good purpose, and it's not all about COVID. And of course, I'm going to continue to wear mine because I'm a high-risk person, if you will, for that kind of stuff is concerned. And plus, it keeps some of that pollen out of my face, out of my nose, and the cold air out of my nose. So, but I'm excited to know that people are getting on the bandwagon, getting those shots. And, they're still working things out just like anything else. They don't have all the answers now, but they got enough going on, I think, right now that I can listen to them and take heed and go ahead and get my shots done. So, okay. I'm going to put those veggies in just a few minutes here. I got this heat up on high. The ham had a little bit of water in it before I rinsed it, but that's okay. We'll cook it out. We will cook it out. Now, this kind of ham is almost like country ham, not quite like country ham is real salty, real salty. You have to boil it. I used to do it for my husband all the time. You have to boil it out. But this is good with biscuits. Oh my Lord, ham biscuits. Yes, buddy. So this and a good old biscuit. That's why I'm gonna have me this and a nice one of those rolls and something hot to drink. Having some herbal tea. Now, see how these all curling up? Can you see how those curling up like that? Don't get discouraged with them, which you do. And I'm turning them right now because I need to go ahead and cut them where they'll flatten out a little bit. Just at those places, those spots where they're curling at, cut it just like so. And you know it's going to curl on these edges because of the skin. I like the skin. Lord, I love the skin. And these you put some hot sauce on it, honey. Now, I already know Kareem going to do honey mustard on his. I already know that. But I will put me some hot sauce on here. You got a good meal. Got a good little ham sandwich. But these little ham steaks were pretty good. I thought they were like about $3 for two of them. Okay. This is the kind of ham that we used to have growing up called picnic ham. That's what Mom called it, picnic ham. She cook that bad boy up, and we make ham sandwiches for the next couple of days. There we go. And we almost always had sweet potatoes with ham. Or ham and potato salad. That was a staple almost. We always had ham and potato salad or ham and sweet potatoes. This was a very, very good meal. Okay, my oven is almost ready. Get us a little bit more olive oil in there. Okay, now I will be right back in a minute. I'm just going to let this cook for about another 5 or 6 minutes and then get this bread and the veggies in. This meal will be ready here shortly, so y'all hold on just 1 second. Okay, y'all, there it is. Another one of those real quick, under 30-minute meals, ready to be eaten. That good old fried country ham, some buttery crescent rolls, and of course the baby broccoli and corn, all ready in under 20 minutes. Is what it took me. Actually, it's about 20 minutes from the refrigerator to the stove. Now on the plate, ready to be consumed. So, listen, guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Thank you for your prayers, your well wishes. Thank you just for everything that you do for me and my family. And also, just, things happen so quick. The gas situation, I understand, is coming back under control because they did whatever the people who undid the gas thing, they've got what they wanted. So, sometimes we have to just sit back and wait on things. We have to wait on the Lord and be anxious for nothing. So I was telling my friends that I walk with, I'm not one of these panic people. Just jump and run and try to, grab at things so quickly. And sometimes it creates a disaster. And I understand there was one disaster as a result. So, sometimes we have to wait on the Lord and pray about things before we get so panicked and entrenched in the negative and trying to do something quick fix, and it end up being 100 times worse than when it started. So I just thank God that hopefully it's under control, and if not, God is going to see it through anyway. So that's why we have to continue to pray. Saints, believers, please continue to pray without ceasing for all things and give thanks for all things. So guys, listen, I'm going to let you go because I got to get back on these taxes. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for your love, your well wishes, your gifts. Cheryl, thank you. Got your card for Mother's Day. I don't know if I said anything to you on Mother's Day or not. Got it. Charmaine, thank you for all those great spices. I'm cooking with them every time I cook. And my food chopper, Rosie, it works like a dream still. I'm so grateful to all the things that you all send me and gift me, and makes my life easier. The knives, Rosie, are still working well. Honey, they were a godsend because God knows I needed them. So, anywho, y'all, I'm just telling you, life is a lot better than what we know it to be if we just continue to pray without ceasing and be thankful for the things that God gives us and for what we already have around us. Excuse me just for that little glitch, but as the word of God says, be thankful for all things, and thank people, and if you forget, come back and do it. I know I forget. I'm so horrible with names. I don't like to mess up people's names. Fitma, thank you, of course, for everything, all the well wishes, all the nice gifts that you've sent, and thank y'all so much. Of course, like I said, when you do things for my children, say nice, kind words to my children. And just keeping them in your prayers, keeping them high and lifted, because we all need it as we do for you. So until I decide to cook again, guys, hey, Miss Blue, hope you're still watching my channel. Hey, hope you're doing well. God bless you. God keep you. And all of you all. Chrissy P, hey, hope you're doing well, girl. Be loved. Hope you're doing good. I know you're doing good, but just hope you're in a good frame of mind and loving on the Lord as He is loving on you. Just thank you for all that you do. Tyra's Big World of Flavor. Hey, girl. Tanya gave me your message the other day, so just call me and we'll get together whenever we can. With this pandemic lifting somewhat, and I'm not jumping out, being anxious about jumping out too quick or too soon, but I'm just going to trust the Lord as I've been doing for almost 2 years as far as it's concerned. So we'll get back out there, y'all. We'll be able to get back to some of the things that we love to do. So listen, guys, thank you to all of my YouTube family. Mary Liz, girl, thank you. You're my friend. Hopefully one day soon we'll be able to, Tanya and I had, like I told you all, we had planned a meet and greet somewhere at a strategic spot. In fact, we had planned to do a couple during the year, but I don't know how that's going to work out. We may now, and I'm sure we probably will wait until next year. But we want to be safe, and we want you to stay safe. So listen, guys, keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. Do something good for someone. Make somebody's day, phone call, a text message, a note, knock on somebody's door with a plate of cookies or a biscuit and some ham or whatever. So listen, guys, until I decide to cook again, keep those prayers going up now. Keep praying without ceasing. And until I cook again, toodaloo, love you.